This is the Connaughtman's Rambles. I'll play it slowly and try and show you the kind of fingerings that I like to use. You can leave your hand in the same position for the first couple of bars that I just played. Grace note. Now this time, swap. Swap again. And again. Climb up. Slide across. And the first part on a B. Now, if you know where your G is, that's 4 buttons away. If you know where that is, that's going to set you up for the second part. Play that G with your third finger. This time I'm going to play the F sharp on the outer row, so that I can play a B minor chord eventually. And the F sharp on the inner row, a D chord probably, and then use your third finger close up, giving you enough fingers to get down there. Again the G. Little decoration on the F sharp there, playing it 3 times basically and throwing a grace in, but let's just do it 3 times. You might have noticed there when I played that at speed I tended to automatically always swap fingers on the A. The advantage of doing that is you can make the repeated notes very smooth if you want. You can make them staccato, and you can also more easily play at demented speeds. Also, if you habitually change, it'll stop you having to think about doing something different in the third bar and further on where you change in order to move up the keyboard. So there we go, Connaughtman's Rambles.